Impact of Technology on HR in MSME by Yogashri V. Human resources, HR, is very important in any organization irrespective of sector. The term HR is used because it recognizes people as a crucial asset, akin to equipment or supplies, essential for businesses to fulfill their objectives. Among all the resources at their disposal, employees are typically regarded as the most invaluable. Technology is significantly shaping various aspects of modern life, and it has increased the use of tools for HR management. From recruitment to talent management, compliance, payroll, and performance management, basic HR functions are undergoing transformation thanks to technology. Furthermore, emerging technologies are expanding HR's role, focusing more on employee engagement and productivity. This study examines the impact of technology on human resources, HR, practices within the micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, sector. With the advent of digitalization, MSMEs are increasingly integrating technological solutions into their HR functions to streamline processes, enhance productivity, and improve employee engagement. A descriptive study is conducted on only the secondary data. This paper explores the various ways in which technology, such as HRIS, Human Resource Information Systems, AI, artificial intelligence, and data analytics, is reshaping recruitment, training, learning and development, performance management, and employee relations within MSMEs. Additionally, it investigates the challenges and opportunities associated with the adoption of technology in HR practices for MSMEs. Considering factors such as cost, skill gaps, and organizational culture, the study highlights the transformative impact of technology on HR practices within MSMEs in Bengaluru. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.